These are the shocking facts about climate change. In just 7 years' time, the effects of climate change would be irreversible. We would experience more widespread flooding, extreme heat, and drought. Countries within Southeast Asia are most at risk to suffer from crop failures, famine, and hunger.
In a single day, we're seeing a hot morning, a rainy afternoon, and again a hot evening.
I just feel hotter these days, for sure. On a personal, individual level, it affects enough for me to not want to have children because I don't know how they're going to survive in the weather in the future.
This just in, we're following the breaking news on how Super Typhoon Molave is wreaking havoc across Southeast Asia, destroying farms and fishing sites. Our reporter Akil is live at the scene with the latest update on the situation.
People here are barely picking up pieces from an earlier superstorm just 2 months ago. Right now, the typhoon has been hitting maximum wind speed of 260 km per hour. And there's just no telling the extent of the destruction. People are grabbing their important belongings, packing food, and just moving as quickly as they can to evacuation centers. Initial estimates from officials indicate that more than 100,000 people will be dislocated from their homes. Power lines are also down, and so Dawn will try to keep you updated as much as we can.
Closer to home, we're following the story of flash floods in different parts of Singapore. Mariana Ramat is on the line with us. Mariana, can we have your situation report?
Totally unexpected flash floods occurred while we were on the way back to the office. And needless to say, it has disrupted much of the businesses here. We'll try to get...
We've lost the connection there with Mariana, and we'll come back to her as soon as the line is restored.
Flood damage has impeded access by maintenance teams and caused disruption in water supply.
Climate change continues to dominate headlines worldwide.
Industry experts warn that the unpredictable weather is also going to disrupt regional production, transportation, supplies, and services. Even well-prepared countries like Singapore might be affected. Entire neighborhoods and farmlands are wiped out within hours. Decades of infrastructure gone in a flash. In Southeast Asia alone, more than 5 million people are displaced. Essential imported supplies from some countries to Singapore are also affected by the super typhoons and torrential rains. There is enough rice, but the supply of goods has been disrupted as different markets rush to secure food supplies.
People need to stop hogging the stuff. Everyone was panicking, then everyone just started hogging everything. So NTC, everything was sold out. I'm quite worried about this generation. In your generation, I always tell them, I'm worried about you guys.
What can we do as an individual in response to this scenario? How can local communities support one another through the crisis in the scenario? What is our community's draw plan in anticipation of such a scenario?